Okay guys, so for this video, we will draw and color a frog. Frogs go through a fascinating metamorphosis. They start as eggs, hatch into tadpoles which are aquatic and have tails, and eventually grow into adult frogs. Can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in a variety of environments, from rainforests to deserts, and some even live in trees. Frogs have permeable skin, which means they can absorb water and even some chemicals through it. This makes them sensitive to environmental changes, and many species are indicators of ecosystem health. They are primarily carnivorous, feeding on insects, worms, and even smaller frogs. Some larger species can eat small mammals or birds. See you in our next video.